Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix auto brightness not working on the VIVO V60 Lite. So if you feel like your auto brightness isn't really working properly, so this option right here, here are a few things that you can do to fix that. And the first one would be to just enable and disable it to see if it actually might work properly again. So to enable and disable auto brightness or adaptive brightness, just open up the control center, this one right here, and press on this A button next to the brightness slider once, and then once again to enable it, so it should light up in blue. And then you should see that maybe your brightness will automatically adjust. So let's turn it down and then press the button again to see. As you can see, this is what it will do if it actually works. And if you feel like it still doesn't work, what you can also do is just clean the sensor near the front camera, and I suggest using a microfiber, like some sort of cloth, to actually clean it properly, and just scrub around near the front camera, and just pretty much off the screen while you're at it, like this, and maybe it will clean up some of the smudges and actually make the sensor work better. So now you can move on to the next step, which would be to restart your phone. And to restart your phone, you just scroll to the top right here again to open up the control panel, and then scroll down again to expand it and press on the power icon. Then press restart, and that will restart your phone like this. And once it restarts, maybe some of the sensors will refresh, recalibrate, and work more properly. So let's wait for the phone to restart. So there we go, the phone is back on, and maybe that updated some of the sensors, and they might work a little better now. But if that also didn't help, there's another thing that you can do, and that is to check for software updates. So maybe you have a new software update that maybe fixes some of the issues that you're having right now. And to check for software updates, we're going to open up the settings, and then scroll down all the way down to system update. And here just wait for it to check what version you're on, and it will tell you whether you need to update or not. So I am on the latest version, and as you can see, it says I am already on the latest system version. But if it doesn't say that for you and you actually do need to update, there will be a button right here, and it will guide you on how to actually do it. So just update, restart your phone, and see if that also helps. And that is pretty much it. So after you do that, that might help you. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.